what brand, or maybe brands with an S, are featured in this month's AIA box. If you want to know, stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe was just with me doing a taste test of our Phoebe box, but now she's off because there's no food in this box. So, if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking this out. We're so glad you stopped by. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So, this box usually features like one specific brand. So you get a good sampling from that brand. You get to learn more about what that brand is, or even that brand exists. I've gotten stuff from brands I never even heard of before. So, like the Rachel Couture box, I'd only heard of it because I'd gotten one product in a Goldie box. LYS was another brand I hadn't really had much from. Well People, I'd never gotten anything from them. So I've discovered some really great brands. This month, however, we have two brands that are being featured. So let's take a look. There's no card, so we're just going to wing it. By Perlice is the Watermelon Energizing Marshmallow Peel-Off Mask. Doesn't that sound amazing? There is how it looks. It smells amazing. I have used this before, and it smells like fresh watermelons. There is also, by the same brand, the Pink Charcoal Watermelon Purifying Cleansing Milk with Green Tea. This is one of my favorite cleansers of all time. The Pink Charcoal Watermelon Antioxidant Face Mist with Green Tea. Yes, please. And there's this little travel bag, and it says, give your skin a burst of energy. But look at how cute that little bag is. And I know that they had done a box before with this brand, so I didn't get that box though, so I'm super stoked about this stuff. Next we have nude sticks, so we have a few items from there. This is more items than you usually get in a box as well, so I think they did a great job with the value of this. So there's the Nude Sticks Citrus C Daily Moisturizer with Yuzu and Turmeric. This is the Nude Matte in Sun-Kissed. And this is going to be like a cheek stick. It's a pretty color. I would almost use that as my bronzer, just to rub it in a little bit. It's pretty bronzer. It says it's a multitasking balm to create warm bronzing on face and lips. So yeah, bronzer. Next is the Nude Stick Mascara. So I'm not going to open this because I have a bunch open already, but I didn't even know they made mascara. Then a magnetic lip color in Boho that kind of looks like a brown color, so I'm not going to open that up. I will see if I can find a swatch to show you what it looks like. And an eye color in Dew Wrap, and look at that. Super gorgeous. So overall, I think this is a really good box. I like that these are kind of like a summer theme, as is the Perlice products. Like, I associate watermelon scents with summer, so I feel like they really kind of gave us the summer this month, even though we're just starting spring. But I'm good with that. I'm ready. I am totally ready. So loving this. This is a great curation, I think. Now again, I believe they did full boxes for each of these brands, but I didn't get either one. So for me, there's no repeat products. There's some great new things to try, so I'm pretty excited about that. But let me know your thoughts. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully see you soon.